I've just realized that in this difficult time, we are all living same emotions, same feelings that probably Napoleon was living about 200 years ago. Chasing Napoleon here in Elba. I'm very excited to bike the route that he wanted for himself, from Lacona to Procchio and then finishing in Enfora. And I need the help of Alessandra, our guide for Elba, to talk about him and understand who really Napoleon was.
The first thing to say about Napoleon on Elba Island is that he was the first rider of Elba. No matter if he had a horse, not a bike, but he liked riding something. And it's maybe thanks to his love for horses that he decided to build some streets, not only for this reason, even because Elba needed new streets. The road, for example, from Portoferraio to Lacona, was conceived by the emperor. Don't forget that Napoleon arrived here exiled on the island, but emperor of Elba. So he felt in a very strange way, we must say, because he was the emperor, he had an empire, but it was a very small empire. Everything was so different from what he was used to. His life on the island, we could say that was an upside-down life. If we think of life in Paris, if we think of his battles, his campaign, his wars, and he tried to have a brand new life, a different life. He was here, we could say that lived the intimate Napoleon the man, not Napoleon the soldier, but the man who waited for his mother, waited for his wife, Marie-Louise, who never reached the island, and who felt sad thinking of his battles, thinking of Lipsia and all these things that had happened in his life. As Napoleon, nowadays we are thinking of our lives before COVID, and we are thinking that everything has changed. Our lives have changed so much, and we are trying to recover them in a certain way, as Napoleon tried to recreate his life here on the island, to find a new way to live his imperial life, but in a different part of the world and in a different state of mind. And we also have a different state of mind.
Cycling Napoleon routes and talking to Alessandra made me realize something very important today. We do have a choice, and choice is a power. He was an emperor, no matter what, regardless the size of his empire. And it's the same for us. In a difficult time like this, our choice is our power, and we have the possibility to choose who we want to be.